Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video you will be told the best design of kitchen which you can make for your new home. You will see only trending design in my video. You will get many ideas from my videos. If you want to design ideas in a small kitchen, then many designs have been shown to you in this video. If you are new to my channel and you like my channel, then subscribe my channel so that you can get notification when my new videos are uploaded. You will definitely like the design of a small kitchen because the design will be different from the rest in my video. Keep watching, you will definitely like the design. If you watch half the video, you will miss a lot of kitchen designs ideas. All designs are best in their places. Guys, if you want to build a big kitchen and you are wondering which design will be the best, then many designs have been told for you, which are quite different in appearance. New to my channel and you like my channel, then don't forget to like it. This video is going to be important for all of you. All types of design will be told to you according to everyone's choice. Guys, you will not see the design that I told you anywhere. On my channel you will get to see everyone's designs. If you want to get a luxury kitchen, then you have come to the right place. In my video, the best kitchen design has been shown. want a simple kitchen design, then I have told you about that too. I know many people like simple. Share this video as much as possible so that everyone can vibe my video. I will bring you many design of kitchen which you will like very much. I think you must have liked the design of the kitchen. See you with new videos. Thanks for watching my video.